Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Satti sauce. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half a cup of rich tomato sauce, and half a cup of creamy coconut milk. For that distinctive flavor, have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter ready, and for a kick, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili paste. Don't forget salt and sugar to season, and your choice of chicken stock or water for the base. Now let's build the aromatic foundation for our sauce. In a blender or food processor, combine fresh ginger, turmeric, onions, and your desired amount of chilies to form a smooth, vibrant paste. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your freshly blended spice paste and sauté it for approximately 5 minutes, stirring constantly until it becomes wonderfully fragrant and slightly dried. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to develop the sauce's depth. Add the tomato sauce, coconut milk, peanut butter, and chili paste to your sautéed aromatics in the saucepan. Stir everything together thoroughly. Now, pour in your chicken stock or water and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to naturally thicken. For the final touches, taste your Satti sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and sugar until it perfectly suits your palate. If you prefer a thicker consistency, create a slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a small amount of cold water, then slowly stir it into the simmering sauce until it reaches your desired thickness. Serve this warm, rich Satti sauce generously drizzled over your favorite grilled skewers, and fluffy, steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.